Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new 2022 Toyota Supra. This is a 2-passenger 2-door coupe in nocturnal black, and under the hood you'll find a 3-liter inline 6 driving on 19-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Supra includes parking sensors on the front and rear bumper. You also have turn signals on the side mirrors for some extra safety. You have a proximity smart key system and of course a backup camera. Having us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, the Supra does have a smart key system, so we can put our hand inside the door handle to unlock the vehicle. If we take a look inside the door, right up top you have your power windows, locks and mirrors. Now inside, the Supra comes equipped with red leather seating. On the bottom you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. You do also have your memory seating buttons as well. Now starting off with the steering wheel, on the left side you have your cruise control. On the right side you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition. The Supra comes equipped with this nice two-tone black and red leather steering wheel. Behind the steering wheel you'll find your paddle shifters as well. And moving on to our screen here, right now we are on the home screen. You have this nice smooth responsive screen. You have your media and your communication, so you can always connect your phone through Bluetooth. If you go all the way to the right side, you have your weather, you have your My Vehicle, you have your settings, and of course you have notifications for all your different vehicle alerts. Now going into reverse here, I'm going to press this button and go all the way up. That'll put you in reverse. On the right side you have that direct view from behind, and on the left side you have these little indicators that the sensors are picking up. Putting that back into park here. Moving down to our climate control, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. Underneath we have some storage. You also find your USB and auxiliary along with your 12 outlet. You have this nice carbon fiber trim inside. You have these little buttons and this navigator, which allows you to navigate through the screen. You also find your sport mode. You have your safety system with your parking assist, your parking assist, where you can turn those sensors on and off. To access the cargo of the Supra, it's nice and simple. We're just going to hold that third button on our key fob, and we're going to open this trunk up. You can see even in this little 2-door coupe, you still have plenty of storage space in the back here. Taking a last look at our Toyota Supra, and once again, some of those great interior features include your driver and passenger heated seats. You also have a dual zone climate control, some carbon fiber inserts, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around, and as always, drive safe.